really been chilling today. Well, she been asleep. I've been working.
I've been tired. I had 2 hours of sleep.
We're about to go to Whole Foods, get some milk, get some wine. We want some food. Up this way.
Here, yes.
So we outside on our way to Whole Foods. It is over there, other side of this wall. It's not snowing as much as I thought it was going to.
The snow is like really thick.
Yeah. It's not doing as much. It's doing enough. And it is really cold out here, to be honest. Should we go this way or should we go the other way? I feel like we're on the back of the store.
Can we just turn around here?
I think we should have went where he was doing the plowing at. Oh, yeah, whatever. Just making our way around town. Walking fast. Wearing our mask. So, as I mentioned, we're gonna get some milk and get some wine. And we're gonna get back to the room because we ordered food as well. So, we will see you guys in a few minutes. So we'll head into this stuff. You tell me you got the choices of wine here. Let's do that. So I don't know if any of these are sweet. We got a whole bunch going on in this store. I love it. This is amazing. Nice. All the wrestlings. Hold on now. Oh, wait a second. Suspicious. It's weird. No, they don't have it. Thought they did. But they don't. They don't have it. Wi-Fi. They do have it. Oh, that's suspicious. That's so weird. So Jay and us crew just left Whole Foods. Little Whole Foods bag. They carted us.
We're old. Well, we're not.
We brought some wine and we got carted. And then they had to bring in the big dog, I guess. I don't know who she was because we were out of state. We don't drink like crazy. We don't do all that stuff. But we just wanted to get some wine. That was just a little update. We're literally back at the hotel. 10 seconds up the street. But now, we're going back to the room and we're going to eat. We're actually waiting on our food. I got to actually check on that now. So we will check back with you when we get in the room. Woo! All right, Dana's crew. We got some food. We got a nice lobster roll. Where's this from? Legend, Legal
Seafood.
We got a nice lobster roll, some clam chowder, we got some fries and some coleslaw. About to take a nice first bite. Baby girl already took a bite of hers already, so how you like it?
Let's go.
Wow. That was nice. All right. So we plan to try a whole bunch of lobster rolls while we're here. This is starting off really good.
I can continue with us.
No. All right, well, the clam chowder already banging. I didn't try that for y'all. We will catch up with y'all in a few. Whew. Wow, that was amazing. Good pick, baby.
You picked it.
Oh. Hi. That's crew. What it is, what it do.
What it does?
No. So day 2 of being in Boston. We are about to go to a spot called
The Smoke Shop.
Smoke Shop. We're gonna go get some grub.
Barbecue.
Y'all grub's about to be good. We are headed downstairs. Our Uber is coming. We're about to hop in the Uber, go get some food, and then I don't know what we're doing afterwards because it's snowing, so I don't know. We'll find out. We'll see. So we'll see y'all in a few.
Bye. Every time he leaves and leaves his house, like they shut the whole highway down.
Yeah.
Yeah. So everyone knows when he's leaving. They'll shut down 95 both ways, so he can get to the airport.
I've driven through Delaware before.
Oh yeah. Where are you heading, south or to?
Yeah, on the way to Ocean City, Maryland.
Oh,
okay.
nice.
And then I've been to the beach. What's the beach? What is it, Maryland? Rehoboth.
Oh, Rehoboth. Oh, yeah, that's right on the line.
Yeah,
in Delaware.
beautiful area.
Do you go there a lot?
I haven't been there in a while. A friend of mine had access to a house in Ocean City.
Oh, nice. Yeah, we love going to the beach. Have you always lived in Boston?
Yes.
Any places you suggest, like food-wise?
I have no idea what's open.
Oh, okay.
Baby.
This is it. I really like this one. And I could double dip because it's ours. It's like sweet and smoky. And not spicy. This one tastes more mustardy, but good. Oh yeah, that's it. Okay. Go ahead.
Go ahead, what? You just got the camera on, you didn't even ask me what. That's crazy.
What do you think?
You're going hidden. Don't show yourself. Look. How sticky that is. It's like,
You gotta talk louder.
oh my gosh.
That was cute.
It's mad sticky, yo. Like the, I don't know what it is. Gosh.
Oh shoot, I didn't press record.
That sucks.
Okay, now I'm recording. Oh, they're all going. Alright, never mind.
Alright, so we got this food over here. Look at the drippings though. You see the drippings?
They put like a butter honey glaze on top of the cornbread.
Gosh, bro. Some black stuff right there. Watermelon with it. They not slick. They not slick. So we got the macaroni and cheesy. And we got the beansies. Somebody gonna be farting up a storm.
Who wanted the beans, sir?
What's this right here? Sweet potatoes.
Sweet potato mash.
That my little brisket you had. That's not brisket. That is brisket.
That's brisket, that's pulled pork.
Pulled porkies.
We got the
We
ribs.
got some sweet and sticky ribs. Then we got some pickles over there. I don't know what the other stuff is.
Pickled onions, pickled pickles, pickled jalapenos.
What you think so far?
This is so good. Like this is sweet. This is sweet potato mash.
That's it.
It's like you can taste the butter in it, the cream. Oh my gosh, it's just. Oh.
That's it.
Yeah. What do you think? All right, that's the barbecue pork.
Up in this little sauce right here. Up in this sauce, up in this sauce you had.
Dip dip.
Drip drip. That was amazing.
We'll be back. We're about to grow.
Yeah, we'll talk to y'all later. got done eating. Let me tell you something.
Oh, it's so good.
That joint hitting. So we buy everything. Ooh, what's up? Off the party. So they was over there throwing that tea. You know what I'm saying? Over there throwing all that tea in the water. Being all disrespectful. We are on our way back to the hotel. You see us walking. We gotta walk the food off. That food was crazy.
Yeah.
That food was really good. Hotel's not that far. How much?
1 mile.
It's a mile.
Oh, look, he's scraping off the sidewalk for us.
Ooh.
That guy coming, isn't he?
I thought we gotta turn here.
We gotta go that way.
It might not be good for us to be on this side because he's over here scraping the ground. So we might want to go up and go down.
Yeah, wait, anyway.
She forgot. There's no jaywalking in Boston. You can walk across when the sign is.
Look, see, all this
Has to
has
stop
to
it.
pass.
They'll have some of that off by the time we get there.
Oh, okay, let's go.
That food was banging. That food was really rocking. Only complaints I got was that ghetto fire watermelon they had. That watermelon was trash. The ribs weren't mine. They ain't had my ribs, but it's all good. But that watermelon, that watermelon was light skinned.
Oh, no sweetness.
No sweetness, no nothing. I just love this. And people probably look at this and be like, yo, why y'all in Boston in the wintertime? I love the snow, bro. And the snow is different out here. This joint is like hefty out this joint. It looks mad slippery up here. But we'll see y'all at the hotel. And yeah, that's that.
Making our way downtown. Walking fast, pace as fast as we're hotel bound. You like my song?
Don't know what's going on, but somebody let their balloons go. Let them go, let them go. All right, family. Just a little update. We still in the room. We ain't going nowhere.
Big chillin'.
Big chillin'. We just ordered food. We got Boston Burger Company.
Yep.
I got that all-American burger. You know what I mean? An all-American burger.
I got the little Mac Attack.
Mac Attack. I'm going up in there. I'm going up in there.
Is your
We
camera
got some,
steamy?
We got them garlic.
Parmesan garlic.
Parmesan garlic fries. We got the chips up in the thing. I think we got some coleslaw in there. But we just want to update y'all on that. And we'll probably end it here because by the time we finish, we probably don't be asleep. So.
And we're doing a lot tomorrow. Tomorrow's our day that Shar doesn't have to work. We don't have to travel. So.
Yeah, we ordered this like an hour ago.
No, it was like 2 hours. It was like 8 something. And it's like 10 now.
We played like 20 games of Uno. And she beat me in like 19 of them, but whatever.
Hey, you won. You won.
We just got this. But yeah, I ain't complaining. I'm hungry. I'm about to eat. I'm about to watch Happy Gilmore. And that's going to be the rest of my night. So we will see y'all tomorrow. JNS Crew, we love y'all. Peace to the Middle East. And a bottle of hair grease. Just a little FYI before we go to sleep. The food was trash. So I won't say trash.
I've made better.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely had better.
Did you say bless you?
I did say bless you. Thank you.
Oh, okay. It sounded like you said dang.
Bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you.
Gracias!
Yeah, that was, especially that weight we just had.
I give it a 5.
I give it a 4.5.
My stomach's kind of upset, to be honest. Like the garlic wedges, the Parmesan garlic wedges, like were
Too garlicky.
No, I don't know. It just
It was nasty.
It was too much of something. I don't know what it was.
My burger is like right there.
Mine was overcooked. Like I wanted it well done, but it was to the point where it was like rubbery.
Yeah, that's just a little before we went to sleep because it looked good. The chips was good though.
Yeah, I did like the homemade chips.
Chips was good. Coleslaw was good.
Just the burger and the fries.
Everything else wasn't good. Tomorrow, hopefully, we get some good stuff. We're going to Quincy Market, and then we going to what's the place you said we're going to tomorrow?
We're going to. Oh, gotta look it up.
Oh,
a
no.
brunch place.
Went to a brunch place tomorrow. That's gonna be fun. I'm pretty sure that food will be much better. I want some waffles.
Monument Restaurant and Tavern.
Monument Restaurant Tavern. So it starts with an M, not an L. Just a little quick update. Food was butt. And we're going to continue to watch Happy Gilmore. We love y'all. Peace in the bottle of hair grease. You want to speak or what? Bye.